Hello, welcome to Sodexo's training module on sweeping, dry mopping and wet mopping. At the end of this module, we will be able to perform the basic standard procedure required for dry mopping in correct and safe manner. Perform the basic standard procedure required for wet mopping in correct and safe manner. Firstly, select and collect the requisite tools and chemicals. Chemical cleaner, dry mop set, single or double bucket, garbage bag, floor scraper, dustpan with brush. Be sure to collect the required PPE, personal protective equipment, namely safety goggles, rubber handlers or gloves,
and face mask.
Ensure you are wearing your uniform safety shoes. It is mandatory to wear the PPE according to the work safety norms of our company. They not only ensure your personal safety against chemicals, falling objects, etc., but also when each staff follows the same, it renders a safe work environment. Carry the collected materials to the designated area which is to be serviced. Wear the rubber hand gloves. Firstly, let us start with the correct procedure for dry mopping the hard floor surface. Place a caution signboard strategically before starting the dry mopping activity. Move the light and movable furniture wherever possible and clear the area. This will also help you access the maximum area for servicing. Take a brisk look of the entire area. Check for any sticky or solid deposits stuck onto the floor surface and use the scraper to remove the same. Remember, in public usage areas like lobby, passage, staircase, lift landing, sweep in half the area lengthwise so that the half length of area is available for public use. Dry mop within the virtually marked area, which leaves the remaining area available for general usage. Always start from the farthest end of the room towards the door, working backwards. Move the dry mop inside the marked area sideways in a figure of horizontal 8 actions. Keep working following the same procedure till you cover the entire area to be serviced. Remember, never shake the dry mop for removing the dust and dirt stuck to it. This will prevent further fluffing and spreading of the dust onto other surfaces. Also, this prevents the rivets and joints of the mop set from loosening, thus increasing its longevity. Clean the mop using nylon hand brush in a discreet corner of the room near the entrance or exit. Ensure you wear a face mask while you clean the mop liner. If not worn, then you are at a risk of inhaling fine particles of dust removed from the dry mop using a hand brush and the dustpan. Empty the collected soiling in the garbage bag. Cover the entire area, collect all the tools and remove the caution sign as you leave and proceed for your next activity. Now let us summarize our learning of the procedure for dry mopping. Collect the requisite tools and PPE. Cordon off the area to be serviced. Divide the total area into manageable portions. Start from the farthest end of the room, working backwards. Move the dry mop sideways in a figure of horizontal 8 actions. Clean the dry mop. Collect the soiling. Collect all the tools and the caution signboard before you leave. Wet mopping of the hard floor surface. Firstly, select and collect the requisite tools and chemicals. Dip the mop into the chemical cleaner solution. Rinse out the excess solution by holding the mop into the wringer attached to the wringer trolley or bucket. Shake the mop lightly to open out the mop threads. Hold the mop parallel to the wall or skirting, drawing the boundary starting from left to right or vice versa, within which the wet mopping will be done. Spray the chemical cleaner solution onto the neatly folded check duster and wipe the wall skirting in the same direction of the area you have marked. Follow the basic principle of housekeeping. Start from the farthest end of the room towards the door, working backwards. Move the mop inside the marked area sideways in a figure of horizontal 8 actions. Turn the mop and continue mopping backwards. Frequently rinse the mop by dipping it in the clean water, wringing it in the wringer, and then dipping it back in the chemical cleaner solution. This helps to maintain the mop clean, thus enabling covering larger area. Once wet mopping in one portion of the total area is complete, repeat the same procedure to cover the entire area.